Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in granite and it looks great. You got the chrome accenting right up front on the grille here with that Dodge logo, and you do have halogen quad headlights right there, and they are very bright. Now, coming around the side, you do have 17-inch rims here on your Kumo brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and those rims look awesome. You do have the heated exterior mirrors in the matte black. And now coming all the way around to the back, you do have the Grand Caravan logo as well as the Dodge logo right there. And as long as it's unlocked, all we gotta do is open it up. Now, lots of room back here. They are stow and go seats as well, so you do got this indent you can put stuff in. You got a bit of additional storage here. And yes, stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So you got one right here, pull that. 2 is right here, pull that one. 3 right here, and 4 is this guy. And it folds just down like that, and then you got even more room right back here. Okay, we got our keys here, so we do have 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here, you do have that chrome accenting on the handle, and you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. This leather is very soft and nice to put your arm on. Got a little bit of a handle here and some nice swirly accenting here. Got a bit of storage here and some more down here as well. You do have a water bottle holder right there. And then coming over here, we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams there, as well as we do have our in-cabin light control here. And then right up here, we have the controls over our high beams and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does say how many kilometers we've been, which is only 3,000, not very many. Now we can change that guy to our trip A, our trip B, distance till empty, our kilometers, our liters per 100 kilometers, our temperature outside, and back to the kilometers. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition and your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options just there on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel, we do have a volume up and down, as well as a source changer right there. And we do have this guy here, which is our gear shift. And there is another volume, or not volume, but it is for the channel on the other side, another one of these. Now in the center, we do have our radio. So we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all on here, as well as we do have an aux cord or disc. You have your seek options. You also have your phone, your voice recognition, your info, and your forward and reverse, as well as your eject for your CD player, volume up and down and off, your presets down here, your setup, your music type, your list, and you also have your audio select right there, so you can push to change things up. Then down here you do also have your climate control, so it is dual climate. You and your passenger could have different levels of hot or cold, depending on what you like. You have where it's going to blow out of here, your defrosts, then your power, and your AC there. You have your econ mode, your hazard lights, and your traction control all there. Bit of storage here. You also have some cup holders there, and right down there you have more storage and some plugins. You also have a couple additional cup holders and some more storage right there. And you do have a dual layer glove box. You do have a USB plug-in just down there, and then you also have a locking glove box with your owner's manual right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Very soft seats, same as in the front. You do have 2 seats here and 3 in the back for 7 seats all together. So lots of room. Now you can also, you got some additional storage just underneath here. You can open this guy up right here. Just like that, and you got lots of room under there to put whatever you might want to. And then you also have some cup holders right here that slide right out for you. You got lots of room in the back there with some cup holders as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.